everybody, I'm Cat Cora. You know, there's nothing better than escaping the cold weather and going on a tropical vacation over the holidays. I love that. But since we're all at home, I want to show you how to bring all the comforts of vacation right into your home. Since I have so much leisurely time on my hands, I am gonna make a cocktail. So I'm making this mango margarita. I'm gonna put it into this baby coconut, which I love, it's so festive. I'm gonna add in some mango pieces. I'm gonna add in some sugar, make it a nice sweetness and tartness with some lime juice. I'm gonna add some of the water from the coconut, which is delicious. It makes it so good and yummy. And then of course some ice. Now you can add obviously tequila to it or any other spirit you want. Right now I'm just making a mocktail. All right, here we go. We're gonna pour that right into the coconut. Of course, like you're sitting in a resort somewhere on a tropical island. And I made a nice little skewer with a cute umbrella, kiwi, mango, and lime on it. Stick a fun straw in. And there you have it. You're away on a tropical island. I've got these delicious foods that I plated. I just put them on a platter. My grilled shrimp, my creamy street corn, ahi verde, sauteed black kale, and pickled red onions. I've got some delicious desserts, chips and salsa, and then voila, it's party time. I told you it was gonna be party time and festive. I have decorated the living room for my staycation. I pulled things out that I thought would be fun and festive. Really fun napkins and table runners, and flowers, some fruit, things like papaya and grapefruit and pineapple. You're not gonna throw this away. This is usable. You're gonna put it in a smoothie tomorrow, so have fun with it. Some waves on the background on the television. These are things that can make your table so festive for your family and you feel like you're on a tropical island somewhere. So see, I showed you how to bring your staycation home for the holidays. Happy holidays and cheers.